Installation of the Pudgy 3 or Morpheus mouthpiece. Same thing. You need the slide grease along that part of the receiver and on this end, just as you would on any slide. This is the sleeve. It just slides in and seats. I find it easiest. I don't put any nibs on here for aesthetic reasons. I put my mouthpiece in, gives me something to hold on to, and then you can just work it out. Once you have it out of the horn, then you can just take your mouthpiece out. It's easy to use the mouthpiece as a handle again. Give yourself something to hold on to as you insert. Just stops in. There's nothing preventing it from coming out except for friction. It's in there good. And if you're going to store the instrument long term, I recommend storing it without the mouth pipe in the sleeve.